Yo, yo, this journey, this road that I travel on, it all seems crazy over the years.
Assalamu Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm gonna be giving introduction to my channel because as you know, my first upload wasn't my introduction. So I'm going to give you an introduction to my channel today, and inshallah we will carry on with the speeches soon. So I created my channel on 23rd of March 2020. So this is how I came to the thought of creating my channel. So basically, I I had YouTube, and I used to watch a lot of Islamic channels, and one thing I realized was there aren't many channels that are run by the youth, and uh, and there are quite a lot, but there aren't many. So I was inspired by those other channels to create my own, and I started mine by doing a speech on Laylatul Bara'a, and yeah, I come up with most of my speeches myself. That's only two, three of them because recently I've been reading Shuma'at al-Tirmidhi, and I've been doing Shuma'at al-Tirmidhi and lots of other speeches, and I will try and carry on to create more create more speeches, but I have to do quite a lot of research, and it is quite hard. So I will carry on with my Shamaat al-Middi series, but I might have to upload less often because I have to do my research. And if you can recommend me in my comments on what kind of speeches you want me to do, yeah, so if you could tell me in the comments. And one thing, I will carry on with my end times list, and those are going to be mainly for adults and teenagers, because can with children it can have an effect on them, like could scare them, and it will be mainly for adults. So I don't recommend children to go on that playlist for those videos. In the title, I will have in brackets end times, or it will be without brackets, obviously. So yeah, this is my introduction to my channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe.